pale roho yenu iko, ni pale roho zetu kule Murang'a ziko. Na ninakubaliana na nyinyi ya kwamba hapo mbele kuna ushindi. Ni uhoro wama? Hapo mbele kuna ushindi. But God will be directing us in that way. Your Excellency, when I was sitting there, I was wondering what I should say. I just want to say one thing, that it is us in high leadership, in leadership that has been entrusted by the people who vote for us, that should lead the way to keep the promises that we make and to ensure that people are acting and working in integrity. When we start running away from the things we said, from the things we spoke, then we do not set the right example for the people we lead who have entrusted us with leadership. So I want to encourage you and your team, as you move around, remember that people are listening and those things that we say will follow us. You must ensure that your government, I am very confident we are forming the next government, ensure that governance and leadership become the beacon of democracy in this country. Asante sana.